evening, everyone. This is Carl F. Rose, recording from Bedford, Pennsylvania on Sunday evening, August 6th, 2023. And I'm going to do something that I never did before on the air fryer. These two squash I got from my ex-wife. I think she grew them in her garden. I can't remember where she got them. But I'm going to slice them into little things. I've already washed them off. And then I've got then I'm going to dip them in some egg batter with breadcrumbs, and then I'm going to air fry them. Oh gosh, I'm just going to do it in increments, about like 3-minute increments, because there isn't very much. Then I'm going to, once I'm done with air frying that, I'm going to air fry some cod, some squash and cod for dinner. So let me just get going on what I'm doing here. Now I've just got this. This is for making omelets. I got this from Publishers Clearinghouse, and this here is an egg chopper. I'm gonna chop 4 eggs in here. I whisk the eggs probably with a fork, and then put in the bread crumbs and make it enough so I can dip it in. Then I'll put it in the air fryer. So we'll see what happens here. Here. Alright. Okay. Chopper here. Okay, get my knife. Okay, that there. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Get my knife. Okay, we'll chop off the ends. Well, I'm going to kind of angle this now. Try not to step on my cat here. Okay, there we go. Now I can see what I'm doing. Okay. There we go. There. Cut off the ends here. I made a bunch of salad today. I could have chopped these up and put them in a salad, but I wanted to make this in the air fryer first. See if I can make like squash bites. I think Carl's Jr. or something like that used to make them. I can't remember what fast food place, and I loved them. So I'm going to slice these up first, make them thin. I think I'll just keep. Okay, now these smaller ones, I'm just going to chop up the smaller ends. I'm just going to chop those up and put them in my salad. Not sure how long this video is going to be. I'll probably have to do a bunch of editing and stuff. But okay, got all our things chopped here. Alright, now, let's get 4 eggs, and we'll do this with 4 eggs. Okay. Go. Oh, I gotta put some milk in there too. I forgot about that. hell in here. Okay. That doesn't look very good. Got a bad egg. Fork. I'll take the spoon. I'll just whisk it back. Alright. Guess I need more crumbs. Get it so it's add more crumbs and crumbs to it. There we go. Now we're getting it. Okay. Basically what I'll be doing is dipping them in this. Now, it's just kind of put them in here like this, like so. You know what I'm going to do? Something different. Okay. I will dip and fall in here, but I'm going to actually pour some stuff on it too. Okay. Now, just kind of pour this in here. There we go. Okay. Alright. Well, let's see how that turns out. I have no idea how this is going to turn out. Well, that's it for now. Like I said, I've never really done this before, so you'll see how it comes out. I will do a final video on that. Okay, good evening everyone. This is Carl F. Rose, recording from Bedford, Pennsylvania on Sunday, August 6, 2023. Here's the finished part. I'm cooking I'm air frying my cod right now. But I learned something. I did it in two 5-minute segments twice, so it took 10 minutes, but next time I'm just going to have the just the breading and just a little bit of milk, just leave the eggs out. But anyway, that's it for now.